Okay, so Rich, I'm going to go back to you on this. This is something I mentioned before, right? If all of this comes in, not only can we talk about how it might have an effect and be beneficial for the prosecution, this is more of a reason why, if this comes in, I don't think the defendant should take the stand. I was asked that question. Should the defendant take the stand? You think he's going to take the stand? The jury hears this level of alleged deception, able to fool people that he worked with and that was close with. If he takes the stand, why should the jury believe anything he has to say?
So here's the question about Alex Murdaugh taking the stand. And you and I have talked about this with other defendants. Yep. So for me, the first question is, how would he do on the stand? And I'm sure they're having practice runs to figure that out, because that's the most important question. But this guy has some splaining to do, as we say, right? He's got these financial crimes, but more importantly, they have audio of him being on the scene when he said he wasn't there. And how is he not going to explain why that's the case? That, to me, is a big question. And the other thing is, if we buy sort of the underlying theory that this is kind of a narcissistic guy, I mean, thank goodness he's not representing himself in this trial, but is he really going to let it go to verdict without taking an opportunity to speak to the jury? I don't know.